In this short video, we will cover how to successfully program the Genie garage door opener models 1022, 1024, 1042, 2022, 2024, and 2042. Follow all instructions in the installation and operations manual included with the unit. Before we begin programming, follow the installation manual instructions to properly assemble and install the power head and rail, install the safety beam system and associated wiring, and hang and wire the wall control provided in the box. Plug the unit into an electrical outlet as per the installation manual. It is very important to ensure the chain or belt connector is engaged into the carriage assembly. To do that, manually raise the door to engage the opener carriage to the chain belt bullet. Ensure the carriage is engaged before moving to the next step. To begin setting the limits, press the Close Travel Limit button, which is pointing towards the garage door, to move the door into the closed position. You may use the other arrow button to raise the door if needed to reach the desired position. Then, press and hold the Close Set Limit button until you see one long green blink, or for 5 seconds. Although you have already set the down limit, the LED will continue to blink 3 consecutive green blinks, indicating the limit setting has not been completed. Use the Open Travel Limit button, which is pointing away from the garage door, to lift the door into the desired up position. You may use the down arrow button to lower the door if needed to reach the desired position. Then, press and hold the Open Set Limit button until the LED light blinks green twice, or for 5 seconds. Once you have completed this step, the LED light should no longer blink. It is important to set the down limit prior to setting the up limit. In most cases, setting the up limit first will give the appearance of a malfunctioning unit. Your limits are now set. In most cases, you do not need to adjust the force settings. If it is necessary to do so, use a standard Phillips head screwdriver to manually adjust the settings. Some early production models of the 1022, 1024, 1042, 2022, 2024, and 2042 feature touch and release software. These models can be identified by black lettering on the control board sticker, as opposed to the red or blue lettering of the current production models. For these early production models, setting the limits is exactly the same, but for the following. After putting the door in the desired down position, touch and release the Closed Set Travel Limit button. Upon release of the button, the LED light will blink green once. Similarly, after putting the door in the desired up position, touch and release the Open Set Limit button. Upon release of the button, the LED will blink green twice. For either down or up limit settings, it does not matter how long the set buttons are held. The changes are set upon release of the set buttons. All other programming and installation is the same. To program the included remote, first press the Learn Code button. The LED light on the power head will blink red, letting you know the remote is communicating with the power head. Press the desired remote button once, and the red LED light will stay on. Press the remote button once more, and the LED light will go off. The remote is now programmed. These model openers feature diagnostic codes via the LED light on the power head. Refer to the manual for detailed information to help you translate those codes. This video will cover a few of the common errors as well as possible causes and solutions. If the green LED light blinked 1, 2, or 3 times, check your limit settings. You can clear the limit settings by pressing and holding both of the set buttons for 5 seconds. You will see a consistent 3 green blink code until both the close and open limits are set. Be sure to set the down limit first to avoid the appearance of a malfunction. These blinks may also indicate an issue with your wiring, the STBs, or wall control. See the manual for more details. If you have connected a wall console and the lights are blinking, or the unit will not operate from the wall console, ensure you have the correct wall control installed. Models 1022, 1024, and 1042 are only compatible with a Series 1 wall button. To correct this, unplug the unit. Replace the incorrect wall control with a Series 1 button. This button can be found with the Genie Model 1024. Plug the unit back in and verify the wall button is lit. This should resolve the problem. Models 2022, 2024, and 2042 are compatible with a Series 2 wall console. Replacing the control board on these models takes but a few moments. First, unplug the unit. Then remove the lens cover, remove the screws, slide the control board out, and detach the 5 connectors. Then attach the connectors to the new control board. Slide the control board into place, replace one screw, then the next, and reattach the lens cover. Now proceed with setting the limits and programming the remote. For additional support, contact the Genie Technical Support Line at 1-800-843-4084 Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Time.